Let's take a look at the Scheduler feature in Crestron Home for controlling your home's climate. With the app open, tap on Climate from the home page. Then select a thermostat. Now, tap Schedule in the corner. Tap Scheduled Events. And here we can access all our scheduled events. You'll see scheduled events like Wake Up, Leave, and Return. Tap any event to see its details, such as active days, start time, and set points. You can also enable or disable any event with the checkbox here. Want to copy this event to other thermostats? Tap the ellipses to go to the Edit page. From here, you can delete the event or copy it to other thermostats. To create a new scheduled event, go back to the Scheduled Events screen and tap Create New Scheduled Event at the bottom. Here, you can name your event, set the active days, start time, and set points. Don't forget to enable it at the bottom to activate the event. That's how easy it is to use the scheduler in Crestron Home to automate your climate. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.